This medication is used to prevent or treat low blood calcium levels in people who do not get enough calcium from their diets. It may be used to treat conditions caused by low calcium levels such as bone loss, osteoporosis, weak bones, osteomalacia/rickets, decreased activity of the parathyroid gland, hypoparathyroidism, and a certain muscle disease, latent tetany. It may also be used in certain patients to make sure they are getting enough calcium, including women who are pregnant, nursing, or postmenopausal, people taking certain medications such as phenytoin, phenobarbital, or prednisone. Calcium plays a very important role in the body. It is necessary for normal functioning of nerves, cells, muscle, and bone. If there is not enough calcium in the blood, then the body will take calcium from bones, thereby weakening bones. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and phosphorus. Having the right amounts of vitamin D, calcium, and phosphorus is important for building and keeping strong bones. When taking Oysco 500-Vit D3, it's best to take it with food. If your product contains calcium citrate, you can take it with or without food. Make sure to follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. For optimal absorption, if your daily dose is more than 600 mg, it's recommended to divide your dose and take it at different times throughout the day. If you're using the liquid form, use a special measuring device/spoon to measure the dose. Avoid using a household spoon as you may not get the correct dose. If you're taking the chewable form, make sure to chew thoroughly before swallowing. And if you're taking capsules, swallow them whole without crushing or chewing. It's important to use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. Try to take it at the same time each day to help you remember. If your doctor has recommended a special diet, it's crucial to follow it in order to get the most benefit from the medication and to prevent serious side effects. Also, do not take other supplements or vitamins unless ordered by your doctor. There are different forms of calcium supplements that contain varying amounts of calcium and vitamin D. It's best to ask your doctor or pharmacist to help you select the best product for you. If you suspect a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. Side effects of Oysco 500-Vit D3 may include constipation or stomach upset. If these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's crucial to inform your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects such as nausea/vomiting, loss of appetite, unusual weight loss, changes in mental/mood, signs of kidney problems, bone/muscle pain, headache, increased thirst, increased urination, weakness, tiredness, or fast/pounding heartbeat. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help right away if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Remember to always consult your doctor for medical advice about side effects and to report any side effects to the relevant medical authority in your country. Before taking Oysco 500-Vit D3, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you are allergic to other vitamin D products. It's important to discuss any inactive ingredients that may cause allergic reactions or other problems. Additionally, it's crucial to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have high calcium or vitamin D levels, difficulty absorbing nutrition from food, heart or blood vessel disease, kidney disease, immune system disorders, liver disease, certain bowel diseases, low stomach acid, low levels of bile, or untreated phosphate imbalance. If you have diabetes, phenylketonuria, or any other condition that requires you to limit sugar or aspartame, be cautious when taking the chewable tablets. It's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you are pregnant, discuss with your doctor whether doses of vitamin D greater than the recommended dietary allowance are needed. It's important to weigh the risks and benefits with your doctor. Finally, if you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using Oysco 500-Vit D3. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Oysco 500-Vit D3. For example, calcium can decrease the absorption of other drugs such as tetracycline antibiotics, bisphosphonates, levothyroxine, and certain antibiotics. It's best to separate your doses of these medications as far as possible from your doses of calcium/vitamin D and ask your doctor or pharmacist for help finding a dosing schedule that will work with all your medications. Additionally, check the labels on all your prescription and non-prescription/herbal products as they may contain calcium, phosphate, or vitamin D. It's important to ask your pharmacist about using those products safely. Vitamin D is very similar to calcitriol, so it's important not to use medications containing calcitriol while using vitamin D. Lastly, Oysco 500-Vit D3 may interfere with certain lab tests, possibly causing false test results. It's important to make sure lab personnel and all your doctors know you use this product. If you suspect an overdose and the person is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact your local poison control center right away. In the US, you can dial 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call their provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, changes in mental or mood, headache, drowsiness, weakness, and tiredness. If you notice any of these symptoms, seek medical help promptly. When taking Oysco 500-Vit D3, it's important to keep up with regular medical and lab appointments to monitor your calcium levels. It's also a good idea to consult your doctor for more information on this. You can get vitamin D from foods like fortified dairy products, eggs, sardines, cod liver oil, chicken livers, and fatty fish. Your body also produces vitamin D when you're exposed to sunlight. As for calcium, you can find it in dairy products like milk, yogurt, cheese, and ice cream, as well as in dark green leafy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and bok choy. Many foods, such as orange juice, are also fortified with calcium. To reduce your risk of bone disease, it's important to stay physically active, avoid smoking, and limit the use of alcohol and caffeine. And remember, it's crucial to follow your doctor's advice on the daily dosage and optimal timing for taking Oysco 500-Vit D3. If you forget to take a dose of Oysco 500-Vit D3, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It is important to store Oysco 500-Vit D3 at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom and always keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard it when it is expired or no longer needed. If you have any questions about how to dispose of Oysco 500-Vit D3, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.